Hi guys, welcome to Everything Tech with Andy Best. On this channel, we check out the latest development in technology and cyberspace in general. We bring them to you live on this channel. So if this is your first time of being on this channel, please do well to hit the like button and smash the subscribe button below so that you get notified each time I post a similar video like this on this channel. So today we will be looking at step on how to open a PayPal account. Now, if you are living in this part of the country where I am right now, from Nigeria or any part of the West African country, you need a PayPal account to be able to access some of these online gigs that are trending. So you need a means of payment. Opening a PayPal account will be necessary for you. So I'm going to take us on step by step on how we can achieve this. So sit back, relax, make sure you stay to the end of the video. I'll see you at the tutorial session. So hi guys, welcome back to this session again. So to open a PayPal account in Nigeria, the first thing you want to do is to go to your browser and then click on your web browser, type www.paypal.com and make sure you add AE/AE. Hit your enter button and allow the page to load. When this page loads up, what we want to do is to open a PayPal account that can accept payment, make payment, manage risk and all that. Okay. Now what we want to do now is just to go to sign up. Now you see a business account and personal account and business account. So I will advise you click on business account. Using a business account, you'll be able to accept payment, send invoice to your customers. So you receive payment. Business account basically has more feature than that of personal account. So let's go for business account. So I want to fill in your names, your legal name. Okay, we say Okwa Andrew, and then your son, and then your email address. And so we fill in our details and then we click on agree. Read this agreement, the user agreement, which I have done that. Then we click on submit. So hi Okwa Andrew, ready to use your PayPal. Now in this case we can either skip this part or we continue, but for the sake of this video, let's just start activating our account. That's the main reason why we are here. So let's activate our account. And so we are here. Are you an individual seller, sole proprietorship? Yes, in this case we're an individual seller. Let's click individual seller. Okay. What is your business called? Okay. What's your business called? Just use your full legal name. Okay, you can just put my full legal name or can just say Everything Tech. In this case I say Everything Tech. Okay, this is what the customer will show. This is what we show. What shows up in their credit card statement. Okay, let me just use my full legal name just to save us time. And then we'll come here. What's the type of your business? Okay. We say sole proprietorship. Okay. And then what's your date of birth? This is personal, so I'm going to pause this video. So nationality, make sure you change it back to Nigeria when you get to this place. Ensure you change it back to Nigeria. Okay. So Change this to Nigerian number. Uh-huh. Okay, there you are. So fill in this, and then your address. We're still going. So the address, I'm just going to fill Abuja, Nigeria. Make sure you fill your address for this, for the sake of this video. That's why we're doing this. And then I'll put this as Abu Dhabi. Still okay. And then click next. Okay, your business registration number. If you don't have, please you can leave it like that. How do you want our money to be? Which currency? Leave it at dollar. Want to receive dollar? You can change it if you want. Oh, what do you sell and what do you offer? Okay, so you look at which one best fits or your business or what you intend to do. Let's say online, anything online here. So I have to pause the video to just select which one that best suits me. So I choose digital goods, media, books, and music. Okay, so you can choose what the one that best suits you. When you click on this, from this drop line, you choose the one that best suits you. Okay, then do you have a website? For now, we click no, and then use same address what we used before, and then we click next. Okay, complete the customer identification process to avoid paper account service interruption. Okay, what do they want? Let's put Nigeria. Choose a country, say Nigeria. Here, submit. So you can see, congratulations, thumbs up. You have been able to set up a PayPal account. So go to your home page and your PayPal account should be ready. The only thing left for us to do now is to verify our email. Email has been sent to you, and then we click on this and we verify the email. This is the email that was sent to us. You added a new blah 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 blah. Then let us know right away. Okay. Need some information from you. Log in to PayPal to confirm the email, make payment, withdraw fund. Let me see a couple of emails. Set up your account. Okay, let's click on this one, confirm email. This is the most important one. So I'm just gonna put my password to confirm the email. So email is confirmed. So and our PayPal account is open. So email is confirmed, profile is confirmed. So from this stage now, you can go ahead to link your bank. You link a card. If you have a debit Nigerian local bank card, you can link it from here now. I'll make a different video on how to link that later. So it's just simple. You add your card details here and you link your Visa card or whichever card you are using for um, any transaction you want to. Okay, you can go ahead now. Let me just pause this video and look for a card and then link it up so we don't have to waste time. There's something I want you to know. PayPal does not want you to link a virtual card. So I'm going to link my GT Bank account, my GT Bank card. So do not, if you have a virtual card or a virtual account, do not link a virtual card. Okay, they will ban your account if you do that. So just go ahead and link your name on the card. Say okay, that's the card number. First we'll say just post this. This is personal. So before we link our card, like I said earlier, we need to first of all verify our identity. If not, they will tell you that your account access is limited. So first we have to close this and go and verify our identity. How do you verify your identity? You need you need a means of identification. You see, we want to confirm that the information in your account is accurate, and as we notice suspicious activity, blah blah blah. Okay, so see details on how to resolve this problem. You see, we need some information from you. Which means of identification would you like to upload? So you need to upload an identity. So resolve this. So you need an ID to keep all members safe, blah blah blah. Okay, so government issue ID card. I'll look for national identity, which is very common, and then they want you to upload it. Browse and upload. Okay, let me use a passport, which is what I want to use. I'll browse it and then I'll upload. So I submitted my passport, and then your information has been submitted. Go to limitation. So paper is going to review this. It say it will take to be within 1 day, so that's 24 hours. So from now to 24 hours we'll be able to resolve this issue. If my passport is accepted, they will send me a mail. If it's not accepted, they will also inform me, and if I need to submit another means of identification, I will be able to submit. Okay, so next video, watch out for a video where I will make a video on how we can link our card to our PayPal account. For now, what we need to do is to just go back to our home page and ensure that okay, everything is set. Aside from this means of verification, we already have our PayPal account ready to receive and to send money. You can see the balance is 000. So that is it for this video. If you have any question, drop it on the comment line. If you are trying to open this account and you are having problem, make sure you drop it on the comment line, then I will resolve it. Okay, so remember, for you to link your card or link a bank, you must finish your ID verification, which is what we just did now, and they will respond to us in 24 hours, less than 24 hours. If they do, then the account is approved, and then we'll go ahead to link our card and our bank, and we are ready to use the PayPal account. So see you on my next video. Make sure you stay with the channel, stay with the brand.